Hey guys, this is Thomas Talon at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2024 Bennington 22 S Series. Guys, this is a full-size tri-toon, 25-inch SPS package. This is the new S Series. You'll see you've got your lights and your docking lights integrated into the side. This is the new anthracite color with the full blackout package. Again, this is a full-size tri-toon powered with a Yamaha 150 ski tow bar, stainless steel prop. Taking a look at the inside of the boat, you'll see this is the quad bench layout with benches in all four corners with the side-by-side captain's chairs. Guys, great boat, plenty of storage underneath all your seats. Plenty of cup holders in the cutout right here on the side. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that the steering wheel does have tilt. You do have the upgraded Rockford Fosgate stereo. You do have a phone charger, wireless charger on board. Simrad integrated into the dash. With more seating up front. With your cutout with more cup holders. It does have a nice table up in the bow. Beautiful boat, guys. For more information, please reach out to the Greenville MarineMax or stop by our location to check out all of our boats. Thank you for viewing this video and have a great day.